Namaste. You're watching Andrew on the Yogi.Moksha channel, where we aim to work with you to make yoga more accessible, more effective, and reduce your risk of injury. Over the last 12 years of practice and trainings, I've come to realise that yoga should be about function and not about form. It should be about what it does for you and your body, not what it looks like to other people. This is what this channel is all about. We're going to stick to the basics. We're going to look at breathing techniques, hatha yoga sequences, yin yoga sequences, yoga nidra, and we're also going to look in detail at some individual postures in a workshop style. You'll understand more about what you're doing and why, what your body needs, what it's capable of doing at the moment, and how we can work with different yoga posture variations to adapt some of the more challenging postures for your body type. So let's share the experience of yoga together, watch, subscribe to the Yogi.Moksha channel, and provide feedback. Namaste.